This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Palladino. Honey, stop the car. This home has more than great curb appeal. It is located in a desirable neighborhood with great schools, shopping, restaurants and easy access to I-95. Offering a split floor plan with a formal living room, dining room and a family room. All new carpeting to good-sized bedrooms and closets. Fresh paint inside and out. Granite everywhere. Vaulted ceilings and new light fixtures. New epoxy garage flooring, pegboard walls, a brand new hurricane impact garage door and opener. New doors and framing throughout. New gutters throughout. Much room for a shed, pool or playground in the huge fully fenced-in yard. New framing screening, glass sliders and paint to the lanai. New hurricane shutters. A do not miss out and a must-see today. For more information, review the details below.